Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I will be doing a review on a smaller black owned brand, and the name of the brand is Nature's Little Secret. So this isn't my first time actually using the brand, but it's my first time making like a full dedicated review. Their products are literally so freaking good. I did use it for this braid out here. And I really love my results. Like, my hair is super defined. It's very voluminous, fluffy, and very soft. So I'm just going to run down all of the products in their collection because they do have such a great variety of products, and then I will get into like the review and demo parts afterwards. And I did recently just get a new mic. I know a lot of you were saying my videos have been pretty low, so hopefully this is a lot louder and you guys can hear me good. So like I said, this is a small black owned business. All of the products are handmade and they're free of all those bad ingredients, free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, dye, all of that. And the ingredients are so good. So all of the products in this collection range from like $11 to $13, which I definitely feel like is very affordable to be a smaller black owned brand. I know typically, when a brand is smaller, their prices are a bit higher just because, you know, they're doing everything on their own. It's handmade, it's fresh, things like that. So I feel like the price range is very affordable, and their stuff is just good, y'all. Like I said, I've used this before, so I'm super excited to show you guys how I achieved these results, and just stay tuned to the end of this video because I will have a special discount code for you guys. So this is what my hair started off like. I did have a 5th-day-old wash and go. It still looks pretty good, but it was starting to lose its moisture and tangle, especially in the back. So I wanted to rewash and style. And you guys know, before I actually wash my hair, I like to stand underneath the running water and just lightly finger detangle. It just makes the detangling process so much easier and quicker. And then I will start with the Nature's Little Secret Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo, and this is made with cucumber juice. So I really like how the bottles actually give you a nice description of what these ingredients are doing for your hair. So cucumbers have a ton of different nutrients that are great for promoting healthy hair growth, and they're perfect for hydrating and nourishing your hair. And that's exactly what this shampoo is supposed to do. Nourish your hair, making it nice and cleansed, but not stripping it. And it did exactly that. So I told you guys I love the smell of these products. Smells really good, smells like cucumber, but I love it. It had a really good lather and good slip. Y'all know I live for a shampoo with a good lather. Just makes me feel like my hair is getting really clean, which I did feel with this shampoo. And then last but not least, it did not strip my hair at all. So this definitely had everything I look for in a shampoo. And then this is what my hair looked like when I rinsed it out. So next I used their Rose Hydrating Conditioner, and this is made with both red and pink roses. So roses rose water hydrates and moisturizes your hair, and it also is good for balancing your pH and soothing your scalp. And I deal with dry, itchy scalp, so I definitely appreciate that. But as far as the consistency, it wasn't too thick, wasn't too light, it was just perfect. And I really like this conditioner. I have used this before, and I'll link a video of it down below. I used it when I had postpartum shedding, but it's very softening. It like melted right into my hair, made detangling very easy, and the slip was great as well. So definitely really love this conditioner, but I cannot wait to show you guys their deep conditioner. So now I'm using the Milk Strengthening Deep Conditioner made with coconut and goat milk. And this is so good, you guys. It's really thick and creamy. It smells really good as well. And the coconut and goat milk, they're made with proteins, so this deep conditioner is going to help repair your hair. So if your hair is dry, if it's damaged, this is definitely going to help improve that. So I just applied that to my hair, which was already really easy since my hair was already detangled. But even if it wasn't detangled, this has a lot of slip. So once I applied that, I just let it sit on my hair while I showered and stuff. It does say to leave on for 20 to 25 minutes, but I left it on a little bit less. I left it on for like 10 minutes, but it's still, I feel like it still worked really, really well. And as you can see, my hair just looks so good. It feels nice, soft, and hydrated, better than what it did when I started this video off. So now we are going to get into styling. So I did let my hair air dry a little bit, or not air dry, towel dry while I was getting dressed, and this is what it looks like taking the towel off. Still nice and hydrated, but y'all know the drill. I am just going to part my hair and get my first section ready, and how I prep is by spraying my hair with some water. I like to work on wet hair, and then I am going to detangle with my Tangle Teaser, and then the first product I will be using is the Banana Leave-In Conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner I have used before and I really love it, so I had to use it again for this video. Smells just like bananas, super sweet, and then it has a lighter weight consistency, but it's not too light. So this is like the perfect product to use underneath your styling product to just get that first layer of moisture. And bananas are great for hair. It adds moisture and also elasticity to the hair. So I just applied that, and it made my hair feel nice and soft. But of course, I'm going to go in with my styling product next. Now, another product that I have tried and loved is the Irish Moss Styling Cream. And I love this because it's nice, thick, and creamy, and I just feel like thicker products definitely help my hair at least to remain moisturized much longer. So this definitely is packed with a ton of moisture. And it says that Irish moss is a type of red seaweed, so it is a natural source of strength and nourishment for your hair. So I just applied this onto my hair, and it made it feel even more moisturized, and my curls really loved it. So I am going to be doing a braid out, and that's exactly what I did. I split my hair into 3 sections and just braided my hair all the way down, twisted the end of it to give it a nice little curl. And yeah, it does say that this is going to give you a light to medium hold, so you will see at the end of this video that my hair was left nice and fluffy but still defined. Now for the other side, I went ahead and repeated those same exact steps. I worked on wet hair, used that banana leave-in conditioner, but I'm going to be using this Avocado Moisture Cream for this side of my hair. This was a new product added to the collection, and I had to try it because avocado is really good for natural hair. It's made with a bunch of different vitamins and minerals, and it's just good for helping moisturize your hair and also help strengthening. So yeah, I'm just applying that to my hair, and this definitely was just as good as that Irish moss. It's not super duper thick. It's like that middle consistency, which is still really, really good. And it just left my hair nice and soft as well. So I went ahead and repeated the exact same steps, braided that side down, and then I'm going to finish the rest of my head, and I will give you guys the rundown on how my hair feels and looks once I take my hair down. So I did have 9 braids in total in my head, and I just went ahead and let my hair air dry overnight. So in the morning, I did use the Herbal hair and scalp oil infused with herbs to apply to my hands and help take down and separate my hair to help reduce frizz. This also is great for dandruff, dry scalp, and stimulating hair growth. So I did go in off camera and apply that to my scalp because I forgot to the night before. But yeah, this is what my definition is looking like once I separate, or once I unravel my braid nice and just looking how I like. So I went ahead and separated my hair. Y'all know how I do that. I just take small pieces of hair, twirl the ends around my fingers to help reduce frizz, and then this is what my hair looks like after I fluffed and picked it a bit. Now, when I was finished with my hair, I totally had forgot that I used 2 different stylers on each side of my hair, but I would recommend them both. My hair was soft and defined on both sides, so I do like them both, but you could probably just choose whichever one speaks to you. My hair did last 5 days. I do not have a clip of my hair over the days, so I totally forgot to record that, but trust me, my hair definitely did last. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you guys are interested in trying out these Nature's Little Secret products, then I do have a discount code just for you guys. It is 20% off. So the code, or the discount code, is Hazel in capital letters. So make sure you use that code, try out these products, and let me know how they work for your hair. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.